Does your bathroom smell funky? Even after you've cleaned everything? Toilet, check. Sink, check. Shower walls, check. But the odor just won't go away? The problem might not be what you see, it's what's hidden, your floor drain. Most people ignore the floor drain, but it's often the #1 source of bad bathroom smells. Why? Because over time your floor drain collects soap scum, bacteria, hair and skin oils, and worst of all, stagnant water. This turns your drain into a mini sewer gas factory. There are 3 common causes. First, a dry trap. No water seal means sewer gas coming up. Second, clogged debris. Gunk rots below the surface. Third, poor ventilation. Odors get trapped inside the drain system. Even a clean bathroom can stink if your floor drain is neglected. The solution is simple. Step 1. Pour 1 cup of baking soda into the drain. Step 2. Follow with 1 cup of white vinegar. Step 3. Let it fizz for 10 minutes. Step 4. Flush with boiling water. Step 5. Add a few tablespoons of water weekly to keep the trap sealed. Bonus tip. Add a few drops of essential oil for freshness. Prevention is key. Clean your floor drain monthly. Pour water weekly if it's rarely used. Install an odor-proof floor drain if smells keep coming back. Now you know the truth. A smelly bathroom isn't always about dirt. It's about what's lurking beneath. Want more home hacks like this? Comment and subscribe for fresh tips every week. Clean looks, clean smells, clean life. Follow for more hidden home solutions.